Hello, in this video we'll be going through the steps involved with creating a template for target analysis for In-Cell Western, ELISA, or cell assays. So up here at the top you click on Create Template, type in whatever name that is useful for you and give it a description if need be. And I'm going to choose In-Cell Western for this one, a 96-well plate, and then target analysis. And the first thing we have to do is set up our background wells. And so I select those four, set them as background, and give it a description if need be. Now background wells are wells that have cells in them but have not been treated with a cell stain but have been treated with secondary antibody. Then if you do have positive and negative controls, you can add those at this point. This is going to match the template that is preloaded with Empiria. So we'll just click through here and get onto the samples. So here on the first sample, I'm going to say set that as sample and add in a name. And then you can give it a value, say if you're doing a drug screening or target analysis as far as dilution of your drug compound. You can add in that value right here. And then we'll just keep going, setting these as samples. And then again, you can add in any information that is useful for your experiments. Click on Next, and you want to group these together so that they're all analyzed together. Now, if you did have, let's say, two drug compounds that you were testing on the same plate, you would then, at this point, separate those out into separate groups. And then here on the review page, you can see the names and values listed all right here and how they will be analyzed. And so each one of these groups will be analyzed separately. So then you're done at this point. Thank you.